we don't have an actual plan or an agenda for anything that we're doing, except that we have to be home Friday-ish. We're going to stay at French Quarter RV Resort tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to try our Splash RV Resort in Milton, Florida, which is only 3 hours from the French Quarter. Who knew? So we just brushed up on the history of New Orleans.
With a great podcast. Link in the description below.
Description below. Like and subscribe.
And we stopped in Dallas to make some friends and family calls. That's where I'm from. And went and saw the family. And while we were in Louisiana, we did some TLC work on the trailer and the car. Including, we had a thing with the running lights. Maybe this is helpful to some other people, maybe not, but there was a relay underneath our steering wheel that was just missing. So we didn't have running lights. Brake lights worked, the flashers, blinkers, all that, but it's just the running lights were not making their way back. And it wasn't just our Casita. We used this same car and rented a Casita to try it out before we bought this one. And the same thing happened then, and it was just missing a relay. But we got that taken care of. Huge props to Paige's dad who did that for us. I'm not super handy. You think it's still recording?
Of course. We'll edit that out. We spent the whole first evening and a little bit of the next morning exploring the French Quarter. We saw Armstrong Park, Congo Square, had étouffée from the French market for dinner, and of course beignets for dessert from Café du Monde. Hot tip, this place is cash only. We were lucky enough to stumble upon some live jazz in Jackson Square. Heads up, Jackson Square is not dog friendly inside of the fence, but your dogs are welcome to walk around outside of the fence. After we left the French Quarter, we spent the next 2 days at Splash RV Resort in Milton, Florida. We didn't get any footage because we were chillin'. We were able to stop at Silver Springs State Park on our way home. These springs are the first tourist attraction in the state of Florida, and before Disney World was built, they were the place to be. The springs were gorgeous, completely clear and beautiful, and the glass bottom boat tour is a must-do.